Think parking under cover fully protects your RV? Think again. Common covers fail from UV, moisture, wind uplift, and abrasion. I'm an RV protection specialist with field-tested product experience. Owners lose finish, seals, and hardware from inadequate coverage. Long-term storage and winterization present additional challenges for RVs. Choose from 10 top-rated RV covers built for durability. 10 RV covers to protect your home on wheels. Marine-grade UV-resistant fabrics block sun damage and fading. Breathable membranes reduce condensation and prevent mildew growth. Reinforced seams and quick-attach straps resist tearing and wind. Padded panels and inflatable hail protection absorb impact and shocks. Custom-fit designs secure snugly, protecting finishes and trim. Integrated wheel, hitch, mirror, and antenna covers prevent abrasion. Zippered access and roll-up panels preserve usability during storage. Quick install kits with straps, buckles, and storage bags included. These covers are ideal for RV owners, dealers, and fleets. Top-rated in labs and trusted by dealerships nationwide. Independent tests show superior UV blocking and waterproof performance. One dealer reported fewer maintenance claims after adopting covers. Full-timers noticed interior temperatures stabilized during summer and winter. Seasonal users praised ease of install and secure anchoring. 10 different kits cover trailers, travel trailers, and custom shapes. All-season weather-resistant shields against rain, snow, and UV. Durable construction prevents wear and extends RV exterior lifespan. Secure, snug fit keeps covers in place and prevents flapping. Mildew-resistant fabric preserves paint, seals, and fiberglass surfaces. Designed for long-term outdoor storage, transport, and winterization. Protect your home on wheels before the next season. Click the link in the description and browse the 10 covers, compare fits, and choose confidently. Invest in protection now, reduce repairs, and preserve value.